So guys, for the first step, you want to right click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the Services tab. And now once you're in the Services tab, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to click on Open Services. And now this will come up. You want to maximize this. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and click on W on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find Windows Search. Now if you could not click W on your keyboard, you just want to scroll down until you find Windows Search. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make sure the startup type is on automatic delayed start. And then you want to click on Start, which will then make the service running. And then click on OK. But if you got to this stage and it was already on automatic and it was already on running, then you want to click on Restart the service. And if you just enabled running and automatic right now, just click on Restart the service anyway, you might as well. And now for the second step, you want to right click on your taskbar again, and then click on Task Manager again. And now once you're on this, you want to head over to the Processes tab, which is the first one, and then you want to click on Run Your Task. And now you want to type in Explorer.exe. Click on OK. And now File Explorer will come up. Now you just want to delete right here what's in this file path, so you want to click right here, and then you just want to delete this, and now you want to type in Control. And now Control Panel will come up. You want to click on Control Panel. Now once this comes up, you want to make sure that you have View By set to large icons, and then you want to click on Indexing Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Advanced, and then you want to click on Rebuild. And then click on OK. And then wait for this to be completed. And now once that's done, it should be saying Indexing Complete. You want to close this out. And now for the last step, you want to head over to Search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, we have some commands we need to type in. They're going to be all down below in the description. We have 4 commands. So for the first one, you just want to copy this, Control C on your keyboard, and then Control V, click on Enter. Now for the next one, you want to highlight on this, Control C, and then Control V, paste it right here. Wait for this to load. I'm going to speed up the video. And now once that's been done, third command, copy it, Control C, Control V, click on Enter. And now for the last command, Control C, Control V, Enter. And now once you've done all that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.